Wanted to get some fresh flowers at the last minute. So I just went back to the car. It's like, what, almost 2 a.m. I know I'm probably not going to be able to sleep, but I'm just about to pack my bag real quick. Fold up these clothes. I just finished cleaning out this bag, so I guess I'll get to packing and look at my list and see what else I need to buy and what else I need to do. Y'all, don't mind my bed. I'm supposed to be putting my sheets on. I washed my clothes today. So yeah, I'm supposed to be painting, but I forgot to get an easel. So I might just sketch up something, a picture that I took that is unknown to anyone but me. I'm supposed to be sketching it and painting it. Hopefully I can pull it off before we leave tomorrow. So yeah. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Oh, this is shaking. This is horrible. Why isn't it stable? Anyways, I'm rushing in traffic. I've been ripping and running all day. I've been trying to get, everything that I need for today. Today is a Valentine's Day vlog. I'm rushing to finish up my errands. I don't know why my camera looks so horrible. Anyway, I have to hurry up and go home. After I leave the store, I'll have about an hour to finish packing and trying to prep everything. I have these numbers. I don't know if anybody knows what that means, but I have some like craft projects that I need to do. Finish getting dressed. I'm trying to shave, still run to the store, and that's only an hour that I'll have. We're going to hit the road. We have about an hour and a half drive to get to one of these restaurants that I've been wanting to go to for lunch, Expectation in Virginia, and then we're going to check into our resort. We'll be there for a couple of days, so stay tuned. I guess if you would like to see me trying to rush and get ready for Valentine's Day and hit the road, and I need to pay attention to traffic, so I'll see you guys later. Why, when you're rushing, is this always the case? I'm just not understanding. Really not understanding. And they would not have the one that I want. Perfect. Hey y'all, so I'm home. I'm really stressed out. I'm about to have a nervous breakdown, really. I have 45 minutes to shave, to finish packing, to do a craft project involving paint. I didn't get to finish my other thing that I had planned to do, so I'll probably save that for another time. I have to put all of this stuff up. I'll put this in here. So this is all they had that I could find. I don't know. I have to prep for an edible arrangement, like 45 minutes to shave, to finish packing, to do a craft project, prep for an edible arrangement, and oh my God, I can't go on. I'll see you guys in a little bit. It's 11:30. I'm about to hurry up and try to shave, finish packing, and cut up a pineapple and dry my fruit and put it in a bag and make sure I have everything and make it to my friend's house and finish an edible arrangement within, how long do I have now? A half hour, yes. finished packing. Oh, it's a mess in here. Hey y'all, so I'm pretty much ready. My hair is not even halfway decent, but anyways, I need to put on my shoes. My place is a mess. Anyways, I'm about to hurry up and cut up this pineapple and try to put some grapes on the skewer and cut up the pineapples real quick with this. Oh my God, I'm rushing. I'll see you guys, I guess, when I get to my friend's house so I can finish putting the chocolate on the fruit. Y'all, I am overdue. I'm trying to hurry up and cut these stems real quick. I'm finally ready. The lighting is horrible. Hi. It's like 12:30. I'm finally here. I'm about to hurry up and try to do this real quick. Where is my other melts at? Oh my God. Frick. I got pink ones. I hope I did not leave them in the house. Oh my God. Timing is so bad right now. My camera looks blurry. I'm about to pack up all my stuff and just do this, you know, the little strawberries and chocolate. I'll do that later when we get in the room because we both have stuff that we need to do, so we need to get on the road. So yeah, we're about to get on the road.
Ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow when
If I don't eat, this is why. Stuck in friggin' traffic. Oh, ski. Hello from the other side. Hey.
Before we order any food?
Yes. This looks like Christmas. Thank you. First time at expectation. It exceeded my expectations. So we are finally settled in. I'm about to go ahead and do my last little project. So yeah, I look real tired because I am.
yeah.
Cutting this up is a lot of work, so I'm just going to move on to something else that I could feel like I'm making progress. So I'm going to put this, take this off, put this in here, add this on top for like a, you know, decoration, and then I could start with the ones that I already have done, because I'm not putting the covering over top of these, and just put those on top of here so I can feel like I'm, you know, having some sort of progress. This is the perfect fit. I'm glad I went back and got it, because I had it at first and put it back because I didn't want to pay $4 for it and couldn't find it nowhere else.
Yeah.
No, I'm making a mess. Look at this, a mess, wasting. Look at my disaster. This is my first time and I'm rushing. So yeah, I don't even really care. I'm about to drizzle this on really quick. I'm about to make a mess. This is a whole mess. I'm definitely not about that hill life. About to put these shoes on. About to go to Red Lobster real quick. I can make it hurricane on it. Hey y'all, so we just got back to the resort. We were on our way to Walmart, but I seen a Waffle House, so we're not going to cook in the morning. We're going to go to Waffle House instead. We're pretty tired. I don't think we're going to do sip and paint, but we're going to have some adult brownies. I'm probably, yeah, after my shower, I'm going to get in the jacuzzi for a little bit and drink some wine and probably find some things to eat in here. So this has been my Valentine's this year for 2023. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys had a happy Valentine's Day. Bye.